What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm so happy to say that a position of mine that I decided to give a prediction on in the past is actually going in the right direction. And a lot of times you don't see that. A lot of times you don't see that, positions you have go in the right direction right away. And this is one of those positions that didn't go the right way right away. But I knew that it had a lot of potential, so I decided to make a move into it and continue to double down and triple down into the position because it was one of those positions that you really can't pass up with so much potential, so much or so little circulating supply. And so such a little price, it's really at a very low point. And once people realize where this is and how mainstream this actually is, this will absolutely skyrocket and it'll do it very fast. So, at the risk of all this collapsing while I'm talking about this, just know that I have not sold any of it. I'm still holding all of my coins, and it has grown exponentially. It's actually doubled today. Obviously, that's why we're talking about it. It's well over 100%. But while we talk about this, it may end up decreasing down when you see the video. It may end up decreasing down by the time you get to that point. But just know that I will still hold on to the position, even though it does decrease to that point, because the move is so massive, you're going to see a retracement, right? I think you're going to see a retracement, and what you need is a solid bounce point, which I think you can have within this position. But a retracement can definitely happen. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, if you want to get any of these updates, go to my Patreon. You can get some updates on different coins that we have, different predictions that we make, and all that other type of stuff. But the coin that we're talking about here is Krill coin, KRL. This is a position that I got into a while ago, actually, when it was around $2. I decided to double down when it got down to $1, and when it got down to 80 cents, I added in a lot more to get me to hold 5,000 coins. And now we're seeing it start to make some of these moves, some really, really big moves. And I don't think it's done just yet. So we'll go into all of the detail here. Again, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. But this is the position here. Krill coin is currently at $1.53. If you've seen some of my videos, you've seen that Krill coin just recently was at about 60 cents and showed so much potential for a larger gain. Now, at that point, I had 5,000 coins. I did want to hold 10,000, and I knew that you could see a massive move, from here to there. And I didn't end up doing that. I ended up buying more CRO. And CRO is a great position as well. I think Krill coin has a lot of potential, and I don't want to put all my eggs into one basket. But you can see that it's obviously increasing a hell of a lot. You can see everything that's green within this position. Look, it's up to $1.58. It's up 134% on the day, and it's still increasing, right? This is what's crazy. Now, you can see that the volume is up a hell of a lot. It's up about 9,770% today alone. And obviously, the market cap is up quite a bit. It's still only at a $60 million market cap at $1, right? If you get to a level to where it's $2, you're really looking at still less than a $100 million market cap. You're looking at essentially a 70 plus million dollar market cap. And you can see that it's still increasing 140%. It's up to $1.61 today. So I'm absolutely, happy with where this is going and where it can go and where it essentially will go. You can see the chart in what's happening here, and look how it has moved in the day. So it went from 68 cents today all the way up to this high here of $1.62, almost literally increasing a full dollar on the day, which is insane because it's well over 100%, approaching 200% really. And you could see the movement, you could see the retracement that it did have from a level of 115 down to about 105, and then increasing to the level that it's at right now at $1.62. So I talked about this position and why it's something that I do like, right? If I get out of the way a little bit, what you're going to see is right here, the circulating supply. Circulating supply is 38 million coins. That is nothing compared to all of these coins that we look at that have quadrillions, billions, trillions, all of these coins that have so many coins, or tokens that have so many coins. This one has less. This one has 38 million, or a total supply here of 49 million. So it's not even giving you the option to increase it a heck of a lot more. You're looking at a lot of the supply that's actually out there. So just looking at that with the 38 million that's there, it gives it so much potential to run up to higher and higher levels. I've done a video on this talking about this coin before, and why I believe it's going to run. So again, this is one of those coins. I mean, it's up 137% on the day, and the chart just looks absolutely vertical. If we go through history and just look at how history was, right, we've seen this up in this level and it has fallen down, just like the entire crypto market really has fallen down. But this has recovered in a matter of a day. If we look at overall, we can see that this has had strength up at that 450 level. And that's where I plan on taking my first bit of profit, is around that $4 level, which it definitely can get back to easily. It just needed the hype, it needed the volume, and you're gaining that volume. The volume is up 10,000% on the day. 10,000%. You can't see it because my head's covering it. Let's see if I can move around. There we go. 10,000% on the day. 10,416% on the day. I'm just ecstatic, right? I'm so happy with what this position is doing. And the fact that a call is going this way, it's still not over. I still haven't sold anything. Yes, I'm up, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm holding in this position. So if we go over to my Coinbase Pro, you're going to see that majority of the increase that I've had. Earlier I was sitting at about 24,000, and now I'm sitting at 29,439, and a lot of it is due to Krill coin. Krill coin is up to $8,000. The amount that I invested was $5,000. So now I'm up $3,000 on this investment. It says it's up 57%. I know it has a hard cutoff of like 24 hours, but coin market cap, you're seeing it up 134%. So it's absolutely crazy. I'm holding 5,088 coins, and 1,000 of those are going to be sold somewhere around the $4 to $5 mark, and just taking a profit, or not even taking a profit at that point. It's only going to be 4,000 that I'm going to be able to put into other positions, but I do see a lot more potential well above $4, well above $5, right? It's only 38 million coins that are out there. If you look at a level to where this coin can contend for, being in the top 20, the top 30, the top 40, the top 50, whatever that is, you can see this coin get up to a way higher level. Like if I go to my crypto potential spreadsheet, let me go over here and just bring up all of my different crypto potential. Let me scroll down to see if I can find Krill. You can see here that 38 million coins that they have at $10 is really only a $380 million market cap. At a $1.9 billion market cap, you're looking at $50. At a $100 point, you're looking at a $3.8 billion market cap. So getting up to less than a $10 billion market cap, you're still looking at $200. So telling me that this cannot make a large move to some of these aggressive levels, especially with the volume that we're seeing today, guys, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. The only reason I'm taking the first bit of profit at about $5 is because I can get my initial investment back, and then everything else that I'm sitting on can be gravy, can run, right? If I'm holding 4,000 coins at $100, that's $400,000 that I will have, right? That's insane, right? That's money that I can put towards other investments that I will be happy to be able to do and diversify really well. Will I sell all of it? Probably not. I'll probably keep somewhere around 500 of the coins to see where it does go, but I will sell majority of those coins around that 100 mark. I'll probably sell another 1,000 somewhere around $25. I'll probably sell another 1,000 around $50, and I'll sell another 1,000 around 100,000, or $100, which will get me $100,000. See, I like to be conservative. I'm not going to sit here and push for $400,000 when it could be a possibility, but I'm going to make sure we protect everything that's there. And if it does creep up to $200, I'll sell another 50 and get another $100,000 while keeping 50 in there, or 500 in there. and see that run to higher and higher levels wherever Krill coin can get to. So it gives you so much opportunity for growth, so much opportunity for other investments and other opportunities for investing. So just understand that this is only at a $7.6 billion market cap. If this becomes absolutely mainstream, a $20 billion, $30 billion market cap is not absolutely absurd. And then a $20 billion market cap at some of these levels, you're looking at a massive price. Let's look at $500 at the current state. If we bring this down and we just do the math here, we will get a $19 billion market cap at $500. So understand that this definitely has a ton of potential. Now, will it get up to that point? It all depends on the volume. It all depends on the push. But right now, it's definitely making a solid move and a solid case that it can get up to those levels. But that's my video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Make sure you guys let me know what you think about Krill coin. Did you invest in Krill coin? Are you holding Krill coin right now? Did you invest into it previously and you had to sell it? Let me know what your thoughts were. I understand it may be a sore subject if you sold Krill coin when it got down to 60. I saw it as a buying opportunity. I see everything as a buying opportunity. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter and also follow my Patreon if you guys want more, calls like this. At Perry8K on Twitter, and the Patreon is in the description. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.